Okay, it's Carlos from NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. This is pretty ambitious. Most people wouldn't try it. I wouldn't recommend it, but this is one of the bikes that we build for competition. This is Mr. Wonderful's bike. We're test fitting some stuff, and without cutting and modifying, just grinding the factory rack and using a LEX Rivera amp rack, Sony 7000, we were able to squeeze 4 sound digital amplifiers, Evo X, and a DSP. I didn't think we'd be able to pull it off, but check this out. So obviously the fairing's on. I wanted to show you that it goes on. Let me pop it off. Alright, so what we have here is Sound Digital Evo X 1200.4, 400.4, and two 800.1s. 800.4 are the same size, so you could fit two 800s, a 404, and a 1204, or you could fit two 804s, two 801s, and one 400.4. DSP is going to go over here. I didn't think it would fit, but these guys from Sound Digital are building some amazing products for us that perform, and the size is insane. It's ridiculous. Look at that. So now I just got to fab up some brackets and get it playing. Okay, even though we're cramming these amplifiers in here, we still take the time to bolt them all in place to the steel plate to make sure they don't move. Most of the amplifiers that we get in here broken are because they're not bolted down, and as they slide around it breaks the RCA connectors, and just I know it's difficult, but take your time, pre-drill and bolt them down if possible. Make some sort of bracket.